Hey, it's Peter here. And the night before Jesus died, I told 3 different people that I didn't know him. Yes, I denied him, just like he said I would. When I heard the rooster crowing, I was so sad. It was almost like I fell apart. The amazing thing is that Jesus, who died and rose again, yes, he's still alive right now in heaven. I thought he'd never speak to me again, but he came and had breakfast for me on the beach. Did you know that Jesus died for all of our sins so that we can be forgiven? And even though I didn't deserve it, look at what Jesus did. He restored me, he supported me, and he strengthened me. He put me on a firm foundation. And that's what he does for all of us. In 1 Peter 5, verse 10, it tells us that in his kindness, God has called you to share in his eternal glory by means of Jesus Christ. So after you have suffered a little, he will restore, support, and strengthen you, and he will place you on a firm foundation. And that's another reason to love Jesus, because he strengthens, supports, and restores us.